dollar car rental, fuel, and EV charge options. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. For fuel level, if you have not prepaid for fuel, you should make sure the fuel is at or above the level you started with at pickup. If you do not refuel and have not prepaid, you will be charged for fuel and refueling service combined. And there is prepaid fuel option. You purchase a full tank at pickup. You do not need to refuel before returning. And another option is they refuel if the car is returned with less fuel than pickup. Dollar charges for the fuel used at a premium price plus a service fee. And you return the car with a full tank as it was before. And for EV charge options, you find EV purchase option. You pay upfront for the battery charge. You can return the EV at any battery level and return at same level. If you do not buy EPVO, you must return the EV at the same charge level as at pickup. And recharge fee, if you return the EV with less than 70% or 5% less than the pickup level, a $35 EV battery charge fee will be assessed. You also find undercharged fee if the battery is returned with less than 10% charge. An additional 25 fee applies. And this is dollar car rental, fuel, and EV charge options. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.